Join me on an incredible journey to Brigu Lake where the trek might be challenging but the experience and view are worth it. I started with an overnight bus ride from Delhi to Manali. After meeting in Himalayan Fortune in Old Manali, we took a 45-minute drive to Kungul, which is the starting point. We are starting our trek from here. It was going to be started at 10:30 guess, but we are late. Right now it is almost 1. The trek guide has mentioned that the initial part will be steep, followed by a flat stretch of land. Green meadows and oak forest will begin to welcome us closer. So in the starting, we have this beautiful painting. This is the first waterfall that we get to see within just 5 to 7 minutes of walking. So here we have completed the steep part, and far there we can see the Maggie Point, which is going to be the first stop of our trek. We are going to take a rest over there. It started raining. See the view. It started raining very heavily, so we need to take a break over here for some time, and that is the way we are going to move forward. After a long steep walk, finally got a plain trail. Looking at the weather right now, no one can say that it was just raining half an hour back, but due to rain the trail has become more greener. It looks very beautiful. Now it's sunny. On one side can see the mountain peaks and on the other side is the lush green forest. The changing landscape is the reason and the inspiration to move forward. You can see the city down there. That's Manali from where we have started. This height we are. You can see the snow mountains. This is the trail. Weather is amazing. It's not so hot and not so cold, and it's windy. Taking a small break to enjoy this view and this weather. Crossing this river, which means 70% of the trek is done. Another 1 or 1.5 hours is left to complete today's trek. Have reached the base campsite, and this is where we're going to stay for tonight, and that side is the toilet tents, one for the male and one for the female, and at the back side this is the dining tent. Enjoying the hot soup with this beautiful view in this chilly weather, just like a warm hug. Some quick sketches just to hold the memory of the place. It's the day 2. The morning started really early, around 6:30 in the morning. Today is a summit day, so just getting ready to start our journey to the summit. Breakfast was served at the campsite along with a packed lunch was given for the day, and that is how we have started our journey. The trail for the day is going to be steep all through. In the starting it would be forest, and over the time the tree line will be start decreasing. Within just 1 hour of work, the meadows have already started. The tree line have started decreasing. So here the tree line is getting completed and we are entering the meadows. Though the trail is difficult, but the views will never disappoint one, and it is something that going to push all through with anxiety inside that what is going to do next. Thus, this is the view from this point, snow-capped mountains. Over there is a lonely tree, which is the last tree in the whole trail, and just after this, snow starts. With the snow, it became a bit difficult to move forward as the snow was a bit slippery. Thus, with every few steps, someone or the other was giving up as the trail became very difficult. Thus, I couldn't complete the whole trek. The trek goes up there, and from there upward also it will take another hour. And the trail is almost full of snow and snow. It's getting very difficult. I fell down quite a number of times walking on the snow, and my legs are hurt. That is why I have decided to stop here. The place was so quiet and chilly and windy that I almost took a 1 hour nap over there. Almost 12 o'clock. Some people are going Some people have stopped before also, and some people have stopped in this area also, in these places. I'm stopping here. It's 12. We have now packed lunch. I have my water bottle, so just having my lunch. Let me show you the view, though I couldn't reach there, but this view is also worth it. As far as I can see, it's just the snow and the beautiful snow-capped mountains at the back. Clouds are flying on the sky. It's beautiful. I waited here for almost 2.5 hours till the time the group which has gone above came back. Adding images of the Brigu Lake collected from the people who have did their summit. Though I couldn't complete the trek, but I will take this as a learning and make myself prepared physically and mentally for the next treks. Started the journey downwards and back to that tree again. Maggie and a cup of tea was served as soon as we came back, and I feel that it tastes better than any other days. Day 3, we are going back to Manali. It's 8:30 in the morning. We had our breakfast and we have started our journey downwards. The downward journey was easy and it just took 3 hours for us to reach back to Manali, with some goodbyes and a lot of memories. Coming back from the trek, the first thing that I did was had a fulfilling lunch in one of the Chinese restaurant in the Mall Road, and it was yummy. Lastly, adding some of the pictures taken in this trip. Cheers to the people I met in the journey. Cheers to the view I've seen and the learning that I am taking back with this.